Hi everyone. So in this video I'm basically going to review my college, that is College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Kanke, Ranchi. In this video I'm going to share some merits and demerits of this college, and remember this is totally my personal opinion, my personal thought, and it is totally subjective, so take it as a disclaimer. So first let me discuss the merits of this college, the plus point of this college. So this is the only veterinary college in Jharkhand. So Jharkhand has only one veterinary college, and this is that. So if you are able to, sorry, so if you are able to secure a seat here, then it simply means that you are above the above from the rest of the crowds. So after passing out from here, the competition to acquire the government job will be negligible. It will be very easy. Almost everyone gets a job. Now the second point is that uh, there is separate entrance exam for admission in veterinary course in this state. So it is like a boon for the domicile student of Jharkhand, because they get two chances to get admission in veterinary college. First is through NEET, second is through this entrance exam. And the name of entrance exam is Jharkhand Combined. But the fact is that if you belong to general OBC category, then getting admission in this college is not a cakewalk. It is not so easy. It is relatively easier than NEET, but it is not so easy. बस 19-20 का फर्क रहता है. You really need to work hard for getting admission in this college, because it requires a very good rank, because seats are limited here. uh, Approximately 64 seats are there. Now third is a very less fee. It will be a wrong term to use, actually very affordable fee. If you see the fee structure of veterinary colleges, then actually this college is the one with the minimum fee in whole India. It has a very negligible fee structure. Even a student from BPL background, that is below poverty line, can study here easily without any struggle. So for my batch, the fee was admission fee was for first year. Admission time fee for first year was rupees 20,000, and for the rest of year it is rupees 6,000. This I am telling for my batch it is, and it may change in future, but it won't change much. There will be a very minor difference. And again, this is the fee structure of general and OBC student. Again, if you belong to ST or SC student, the fees are even less. Again, one more thing, that if you belong to reserve category student, ST, SC, OBC, then the fee that you pay are refunded back to you through e-Kalyan scholarship by the Jharkhand government. So actually, you are paying a zero fee. For studying here. You have to pay only for food. Again, hostel is also free here. Almost free, I will say. Here you have to pay only for food. And let me tell you the mess fee. The mess fee here is 3,100 rupees per month, and it is same for all. There is no general OBC SC/ST in case of mess. It is same for all, and it is rupees 3,100 per month. I am telling about boys hostel mess. In girls hostel, there are separate. They have self mess, and the fees are even less. So I'm talking about boys miss. Here the fee is rupees 3100, and you have to pay only for that. Otherwise, everything is almost free here, or very minimal charges are taken. Now, number four is facility again. Point number four. See, since the fee in this college is minimum, so you get facilities according to that. So don't keep high expectation. Again, point number five is climate. See, the climate of this area is cooler. Since this college is situated in Kanke city, and Kanke city is considered as one of the cooler city, so the climate is very favorable here. And again, the area of this college is full of greenery, so the environment is best here. Again, another plus point is location of this college. Yes, as I told you, this college is located in Kanke city, which is approximately 12 to 13 kilometers away from the main railway station. So the area is peaceful, it is calm, and you feel nice in this area, away from the city life. So the environment is best, I will say. Again, let me tell about yes bond system. See, at present, till date, when I'm making this video, there is no bond system in this college. Almost every colleges in India, means medical colleges in India have bond system, but this college has no bond system. So after taking admission in this college, getting, if you are able to crack the MBBS seat, then you can simply go from this college without paying a single penny. Now, the last point is about the placement of this college. See, this college has 100% placement. Whoever study from here, no one sits idle. Almost everyone gets a government job. If not government job, they get a very good job. If not government, they get private job, but it is very good. They live a respectable life. So it is highly secure, I will say. Now let me discuss some minus point of this college or demerits of this college. So first demerit is mess facility. And again remember, there is a mess problem in this college, and it is only for boys, because the mess problem here exists in a boys hostel. In girls hostel there are separate mess, they have self mess facility, and it is very good there. So for girls, don't worry, there is no mess problem. But for boys, yes, there is a mess problem. The mess food that you get here is really not up to the mark. बस खाने लायक खाना मिलता है, खाने लायक भी नहीं मिलता है, मतलब बस जिंदा रहने लायक खाना मिलता है, that's it. So mess problem is there, but that doesn't mean that whoever take admission in this college they die of hunger. No, there are other alternative sources. For example, tiffin service. Again, there is a canteen in this college. Again, the market is not so far. It is approximately 1 to 2 kilometers. So you can eat from there. So it is manageable for boys. Yes, for girls they have a very good mess. Again, another demerit is that in this college you don't get a single room. There is no single room provided for the whole course. For complete 5.5 years course, You will not get a single room. Again, point number three is a very bad ratio. In this college, there is very bad ratio. The boys might have understood this. I will not say bad ratio. The ratio is horrible here. Number five. See, I told you that this college is approximately 12 to 13 kilometer away from the main city, that is Ranchi railway station. Some people may find it good, some may find it bad, because many people complain here that the lifestyle here is like a village. You are unable to enjoy luxury life that you enjoy in city. Again, yes, about the events that are celebrated in this college. So first of all, see, before say yes events, let me discuss this only before. See, all the events are celebrated in this college, no doubt in that, but they are not celebrated at that grand level that they are celebrated in MBBS. Events are celebrated, but at a normal level that you see in normal plain degree courses. Why I'm saying this is that, see, I have heard that there is a college in Bihar, uh, in Bhagalpur city, that is JLNMCH Bhagalpur. I've heard that in that MBS college, the Saraswati Puja celebration is really at the grand level. It is at such a grand level that it is based in whole Bihar. The pandal of that college is the largest in whole Bihar. So that type of things you can't expect here. Now, the most important point, yes, or the minus point is 75% attendance rule. See, this college has a very strict rule, that is 75% attendance rule. So if you are thinking that you will take admission in this college and you will prepare for the NEET exam, then I'm saying you it is almost impossible, because the 75% attendance rule here means that at the end of session, at the end of your session, if your attendance is less than 75%, then you will simply be out of this college. Remember, you will not be held in the same class, you will not be asked to repeat the class, rather you will be out of the college. And again, to enter the college you have to give again entrance exam, Jharkhand combined. I don't think which is possible, which would be possible to crack again. So remember this. This is a very strict rule that you will be simply out of this college and your career is gone. So I have discussed all the points, almost all the points, and yes. See, if I talk about the development of this college, then see, actually, once this college used to be the top five college in India, but now it is the average college. But yes, it is growing, it is developing with time. In simple word, if I draw the graph of this college, so what will be the graph? It will be declining, stable, or developing or progressing with time. So the graph will be actually progressing with time. Before, the progress was slow, but now the progress is faster. Yes, because the dean of our college has changed. The new dean who is here is actually a person of great vision and great moral and ethical values. So under him, the development of college is really faster. That is seen here. So if you are taking admission here, then I will say within 2 to 3 years, this college will be far better. It will be much better because the development has started in this college. Again, Uh, there is a discussion going on that this college should be given the separate university. That means this college should have its own university. So these type of discussions are going on here. So the development is on its way. So don't worry about that. So that's it. If you are getting admission in this college, then believe me, you are lucky. Just take admission without any hesitation. It is a good college. It may be lacking in few facilities at present, but trust me, in future everything will be managed. The demerits that I have told you are just temporary, not permanent. It will be solved because the developments are going on now, here now. Fundings are also good now. So these type of things are there. So in terms of development, so in terms of facility, this college may be lacking at present, but that doesn't mean that you should avoid this college, because in terms of job or future perspective, this college is highly secure. Actually this degree is highly secure. तो obvious सी बात है कि कॉलेज कोई भी हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. So if you are getting this college, I will say just take admission without thinking too much. So that's all for now.